Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to highlight your eyes on any photo using Lensa app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin and first open up Lensa app. On Lensa, hit at that big plus sign to add a photo here. It opens up your camera roll and now you can scroll down through all of your photos, and once you find one you can just checkmark it and hit on add to add this photo to Lensa editor. On that step, let me scale this photo for a bit. On that step, you can first try to use Magic Retouch feature. You can easily find it at the very top. There are 4 different presets as for now, and you can easily, in one click, apply any of them to your photo. Let it be go out. As you can see, the photo has changed quite a bit, and if you want to see the original, you can hit right here at reset to reset all the changes. So let me pick one of that filters, let it be that one or that one, and now if I want to control eye highlighting, if I want to customize it, all I have to do is scroll down through all of that filters. There are some different filters that controls eye highlighting. The first is eye bags. Now it's set to 8, default is 0. As you can see, I can drag it right or left to increase the intensity of that filter. Now you see the result. Also, you can scroll down and add some more eyelashes on your eyes. That's the original, and that's the maximum eyelashes effect on that photo. You can easily see the result. Now eyes are more highlighted than on original photo. Then you can scroll down and change eye contrast. The original eye looks like that, and you can easily increase eye contrast. I like that level of that filter because as for me 10 is too much. We can set it to 7 or 8. Then we can go down and set up eyebrows in that simple way. Let me set it to 7. And there is one more feature that controls eye highlighting. You can scroll down until you find bigger eyes. That's pretty cool feature that allows you to make eyes bigger. Bigger eyes attract attention to your photo, so you can easily increase your eyes just for a bit. Using that filter, you can just drag it, and right now you see the result of that filter. So once you finished editing your photo, you can just right here hit on save button to save this picture to your camera roll in that simple way. After that, you can go to your photos, and right here you can find the photo that you have just created. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Lensa tutorials playlist where you will find another useful tutorials. Just check the link in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.